Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Necee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to kind of do a little makeup look, okay? It's been a minute, but I know New Year's is right around the corner. So I have this soft look that I have created, a little soft, smoky, bronzy vibes, you know what I'm saying? And I did it all using just one palette, just a few colors. If you are even a beginner, I feel like you could even be able to accomplish this look. So I don't really have much else to say. Let's just get right into it. All right, so I have my hair put back. I have my face makeup already on because I just want to focus this video on the eyeshadow look. And today I'm going to be using Too Faced Christmas and Rio palette. I got this for Christmas and it just looks so gorgeous. I cannot wait to play around with it. I think I'm really just gonna use this palette alone to create this look. I haven't planned it out. I'm literally just freestyling, but I love the color combo in this. So many neutrals and some shimmers. I even like the blush that they have here. Amazon Angel, that's a vibe. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use Somebody to Love. Oh, like Somebody to Love right here. It's like a orangey shade, and I'm just going to take a fluffy blender brush here. This is the Morphe 505, and I'm just gonna work this into my outer corner and my crease zone area, just to kind of act as like a transition shade. To be honest, I love the Too Faced brand, so I wasn't expecting these colors not to be pigmented and not to blend well. All right, then to darken up the look a little bit, I'm gonna take Felice Natal right here. It's like brown, neutral brown, I would say. I'm gonna stick that here in the outer V, but keeping it more in. And then I'm gonna work it a little bit into the crease. I'm not blowing this one out as much as I did the transition color. Just wanna add some depth to the look. Go back to that same fluffy brush I love. Like, this is probably one of my favorite brushes of all time. It blends just like a dream. I have like smaller eyelids, so it's like harder for me to do eyeshadow sometimes, and this brush just makes it a dream. All right, now we have that pretty much good to go. We have like a nice smoky, kind of dark but not really smoky look, which I love. I didn't want it to be too dark. I know a lot of people like to do like a black smoky eye for New Year's. Personally though, because my eyes are already pretty small, I don't like to do black eyeshadow like that because it just makes it more smaller. My eyes are dark too, so I just like to keep it a little bit more neutral so it doesn't close up my eye area as much. So now we're gonna brighten it up. I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease so that these shimmers and glitters and things will shine, and I'm pretty much gonna go in with these two. I'm pretty sure. I'm really liking the vibes. I'm thinking this one here, the Bossa Nova Noel. And then either in the inner corner or on top of that, I'm gonna go in with Sugarloaf Mountain, which is right here. So these two that are diagonal from each other, we're just gonna go straight in. I'm gonna do that cut crease real quick. I'm gonna be using a M213, and then I'm just going in with some concealer that I have. I'm using Tarte Creaseless concealer right now. Alright, got the cut crease on, got it a little bit tacky, and I want to go straight in. Actually, no, I'm gonna spray my brush. This whole palette smells like sour candy. I'm obsessed. Ooh, I love it. Okay. I'm just gonna pat it into the concealer. And when we get to these edges, I'm just kind of gonna go back and forth a little bit. Then I'm gonna go back in with that M506, nothing on it though, and I'm just going to blend out. Perfect. Before we go in with the inner corner, I am just going to basically repeat the same colors that I did in my cut crease and my outer corner on the bottom. I'm gonna outline with the Somebody to Love, and then I'm gonna blend out with the brown shade. Love that. That just brought the look together times 10. So let's go ahead with Sugarloaf Mountain. So I'm gonna spray my brush again, and then we're gonna go in and... Alright, so this is the look. Now, usually for like a holiday or like an event like this, you know, like New Year's, I would put on some false lashes. But like I said, I am running around today. I don't really want to be doing all that. I don't want to be too much. So I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. I have Better Than Sex mascara and then L'Oreal's Voluminous Original. I'm gonna pop this on and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I popped on my mascara, I did my hair, put some lips. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me do any other looks for any other special holidays or events, or just have a palette that you guys want to see me use, leave a comment down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.